In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix error code VAN 152 Valorant. Step 1, what you're going to do is to go to your search menu and then kindly look for services. Open this one. Step 2, here you have to look for BGC. You can type V, okay, and then click that, right click, go to properties, and then you have to go to this part and make sure that this one is set to automatic. Click apply, click OK, and then click start. Okay, now go to your Valorant and see if it already fixed your problem. If not, proceed step 2. Okay, for step 2, all you have to do is to go to the search menu again and then look for command prompt, or you can also run or type run. Okay, click open. And then what you're going to do here is to just type SE space delete space VGK, enter, and then after that, type SE delete space VGC. Now go back to Valorant and see if this one or this method works. If not, proceed to step 3, go to control panel, and then you just have to look for programs, uninstalled programs here. And then here you just have to scroll down and look for Riot Vanguard. And then once you locate that, what you're going to do is to tap and then right click and then click uninstall. Okay. Step 4, if you have to go to your Valorant and see if it fixed error code VAN 152. If not, what you're going to do is to simply restart your computer. As easy as that. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.